Find an equation of the tangent line to the parabola y equals 3x squared at the point 1, 3. So here our function, I'm going to write it as f of x just to make life a little easier, is 3x squared. Now if we want the equation of the tangent line at that point, we've got the point, we need the slope. And to find the slope of the tangent line at that point, we have to use the limit-based formula that we saw earlier. So it's going to be the limit as x approaches, in this case 1, because that's the x value that we want to look at, of f of x minus f of 1 over x minus 1. And then we can plug in those values for f of x and f of 1. We still want to keep the limit here. So many students forget to write this every step, and it makes it mathematically incorrect and a little bit sloppy, so please always make sure that you are not losing your limits. We've got our f of x, that's going to be 3x squared minus f of 1. When x is 1, 1 squared is 1, 3 times 1 is 3, so that's just going to be 3 all over x minus 1. Now we can, in the numerator, factor out those 3's. When we do that, that leaves us with x squared minus 1, which we recognize as a difference of squares. So I'm going to do both of those in one step. I'm going to pull out the 3 and break down our x squared minus 1 into x plus 1 times x minus 1. We've got an x minus 1 in the denominator. Those factors of x minus 1 cancel out. And so we have the limit as x approaches 1 of 3 times x plus 1. At this point, we can use direct substitution. So that's going to be 3 times 1 plus 1, or 3 times 2, which is 6. So the slope is going to be 6, and the point we're given is 1, 3. So we can use point slope form. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Now, y1 is the y value of that point, which is 3. M we calculated to be 6. And x minus x1, that x value of the point is 1. So we've got y minus 3 equals 6 times x minus 1. We usually will go through and write this in slope-intercept form, so we're going to distribute that 6. Y minus 3 is 6x minus 6. And if we add 3 to both sides, that gives us y equals 6x minus 3. And so that is the equation of the tangent line to this parabola at the point 1, 3.